my name is Scott and I'm going to show you our Lifesmart Coronado hot tub. You know, we only ordered this 11 days ago and it's already here. It came so quickly, we just haven't been able to fill it with water and get the electrician out to connect it up. So that was a great surprise. Delivery was quoted as 2 to 3 weeks. We got it in only 11 days. However, we're in the San Francisco Bay Area and these do get shipped out from Southern California. So if you live on the other side of the country, I guess it's going to take longer. So I'm going to give you a quick look just now, and then there's some more videos that go into details. But here it is, the Lifesmart Coronado. It's a 7-person hot tub, 4 corner seats, and it's available at a bargain price when it's on sale for around $3,500, which is about a third of the price of a comparable, you know, top-of-the-line hot tub from one of the sort of premium manufacturers. We didn't want to spend that. We really wanted a hot tub, so this was a great alternative. So keep watching, and if you find this useful, please buy through the affiliate links, or feel free to make a donation as well. Really appreciate that. Thank you.